Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will revise two English words, so and such, which are quite often confused by our students. Though the difference between them is very simple. Such modifies a noun. For example, today is such a nice day. Though immediately after the word such there is an adjective nice, such doesn't refer to it. It refers to the word day. We can say, today is such a day. It is such a nice day, such a difficult day, or such an amazing day. In all these cases, there will be a noun after the word such, in this case, day. There may be attributes before it, difficult or amazing, etc., but it's not important. The main thing is that there is a noun immediately or not immediately after such. It is such an old house. There is such deep snow outside today. I have never seen such a beautiful sky before. Helga is such a clever guide. Michael is eating such tasty chips. Now, let's see what happens if we remove a noun and put it before the determiner. This house is so old. Such immediately turns into so because there is no noun after it, because the noun, house in this case, has moved to the front part of the sentence. Likewise, the other sentences will also change. There is such deep snow outside today. The snow outside is so deep. I have never seen such a beautiful sky before. I have never seen the sky that is so beautiful. Helga is such a clever guide. Helga is so clever. Very often we can continue the sentence containing so and add another sentence to it, introduced by that. Now look at Jacob. He's so sleepy. He was so sleepy one day that he nearly fell asleep in the middle of the street. Okay, now let us do an exercise together and we will try to put in either such or so. We will do it together and as usual I will give you some time to think. Look at the first sentence. There is no noun to which the determiner could refer. That is why the right answer is so. The next sentence. The right answer is such because it refers to the noun, house. Sentence number 3. There is no noun, so the answer is so. I am so tired. Number 4. Again, the answer is so. There is no noun. Number 5. The noun room makes us use such. And sentence number 6. We have taken the noun away. So the answer is so. The room is so messy. Don't you want to clean it up? Now we know all about so and such. Thank you for being with us and see you again soon.